Hello, so we are back Tuesday and we have a job. We have a laptop which came here, motherboard fault. This is a Asus C302C. It's a Chromebook. Okay, it's a nice laptop. 4M3 inside. Let's plug the charger and see what it's doing. Okay, let's use the meter just to read what's going on inside. Plug in the charger. And we have like 5 volts. No, 19. Yeah, you can see 19. So the power management chip it's working and it's speaking with my charger, but the current is like 0.02, which is like 20 milliamps. And we do have the charging light here. You can see the charging light, which is flashing, and nothing happened. So I can press the power button, which is here, and the current doesn't go up. I can keep press the power button, but still nothing happened. So the laptop is just dead. Nothing. I can plug this on different USB. Let's see on a different USB. Same story. It does have 19 volts, but like only 30 milliamps. What do you think is the problem here? Hmm? 99% based on the fact we have the charging line. Doesn't mean the 3.3 volts power rail is present. 99.9% it's a frozen Super IO. Well, let's see if we are right. You know, the idea is maybe here are like people which they don't know too much about electronics, but they have same laptop, same issue, and they can fix them. Right? So let's see what steps you have to take to fix this kind of fault. So you plug the charger, you have the orange light, but when you press the power button, nothing happens. And this apply usually for any laptop. When you see the charging light, but the laptop is not coming on, yeah, you can have a frozen Super IO, which actually is not reading the power button anymore. Well, let's open this. It should be plastic clips, but I can be wrong. Oh yeah. Give me 1 second, give me 1 second. Okay. Okay, that's the laptop. That's a nice laptop. Everything looks on board. You have the Super IO, the startup chip. You have the flash drive, like the hard drive, but this is a flash drive. You have the RAM memory, the processor, power supplies. A nice laptop. Okay, so what do we have to do in order to check this theory? Let's take this, and you lift the connector and you unplug it. So now the connector is unplugged. Okay. We can have a look for a BIOS battery, but I can't see any. So I suppose we don't have a BIOS battery. Also check the connectors. I can't see any BIOS battery. Let's plug the battery back. Okay, now let's plug the charger. And it's a different story there. Wait. It is a different story or not? It's not. For a second I seen over 1 amp there. But now goes back like how was before. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. Okay. So, no, it's not a frozen BIOS. But interesting stuff. I seen like over 1 amp there. Let's check the battery. So the battery has 0 volts, right? Right. Let's go with the power supply, around 2 amps. And let's charge the battery a little bit. Battery is charging with like... Battery is not taking power anymore. That's weird. Battery is taking nothing. Nothing. And the battery has nothing, 0 volts. How this is possible? Let's lower the voltage. Let's lower the current. And it's taking nothing. Our battery is taking nothing. Let's raise the voltage. Like, I mean, we have a dead battery or what? Coming here with voltage, I can see the charging light flashing. Look, you can see. So what's the connection then? Okay, let's go inside. And let's check, because it's not necessary to have a dead battery. Okay, let's check together the multimeter. Let's see what we have here. And here we have 1.6 volts. Here we have 1.6 volts. Here we have 3 volts, 3.1. Okay, so here, so the plus is here, the minus is there. Let's go with the power supply. And the battery is charging with 800 milliamps. Let's raise the current. Now the battery is charging with 2 amps. The voltage goes up quickly. I have 7 volts right now. Let's check the voltage on the output. when we have 0. So I believe this battery is dead. The battery is flagged and the electronic stop the power to goes out. Nothing. So we have nothing, but the cells, they have voltage. We have 6 volts on the cells. Let's raise the current. Take it 3 amps. The battery is charging with 3 amps. But you're right, the battery is no reason why this laptop doesn't come on. But still, it's good to know. Let's plug the charger now. Same thing. But the orange light is stable. Nothing. Okay, let's check some things. Yeah. Let's see the mine power rail if it's present, and it's 6.6. So why the power rail is 6.6? Let's unplug the battery. Power rail is 6 volts. Five point eight. 6.6. 6.6. Okay, let's unplug this. Let's go with the power supply. 8 volts. We need a ground. Pressing the power button. And nothing happened. 10 volts. Still nothing. Let's take the board out. You can have a surprise to find a BIOS battery somewhere. Because it looks like a frozen BIOS fault, but it's not working. Strange, because the battery looks good. So it's not necessary to battery to be dead, but maybe the Super IO is not speaking with the battery. Okay, it's nothing here. Okay. Let's check few things on this motherboard. Diode mode. No, everything looks good. We do have a BIOS chip here. This must be a power management chip. Yeah, but this is managing the power supplies. One of these, either this or this. Let's try a reflow on this one. Short reflow. Because otherwise, I don't know what to do. I'm like, it's a dead Super IO and kind of end of story. Kind of end of story. Let's try same thing on a Super IO. Who knows? Who knows? I can't do it with, huh? I think we need more temperature here, 400. Okay, I can see it's moving. Let's see. I mean, it's not much with what you can do when everything is fine, like especially the voltages. But the laptop is not responding to the power, so most likely our Super IO is dead. But you can't test. You can't really test. Just a replace. Okay, let's see. Let's plug the battery. That's good. 500 milliamps. Nice. The screen is not connected. This is so weird. It's on. It's on. And it's working. This is insane. But if I unplug the charger, okay. So you see, this is a rare case when actually the laptop is not working if the battery is faulty. Kind of the MacBook style. So it's not working. I plug the charger. I can even plug it without this. Yeah. You can see the light here, the power on light, then goes off. Power on, nothing happened. It's not coming on anymore. Because those motherboards are so smart on these days, it actually is checking the battery, and it's not coming on. But it did make me believe actually it's a motherboard fault when it's only the battery. So even now, if I unplug the charger and I come with the power, it will not work because the board already speak with the battery board. So I will unplug this. Yeah, I will plug this, but has 0 volts, so nothing will change. Yeah, I'll come with the power supply. Yeah, here on the plus. Yeah, I will plug the charger now, and everything looks fine. I'll press the power button, and we have the light, the power on light is taking like 800 milliamps, 900 milliamps, and it's coming on. And you'll say, sorry, but it's taking power from the battery, not from the charger. Yeah, that's right. But let's unplug the battery. and the charger can sustain the laptop. You see, so now it's working on the charger. So everything is fine apart from the battery. How we can fix this? Can we fix it? I believe we can. Because the charging is managed by a power supply, but probably not. 1 second. Probably we can't. But let's try. At least let's try, because I don't know how this will behave. I know on a normal laptop nothing will change, but on a normal laptop it will work without the battery. So let's see, ground. Ground plus. And we do have some voltage, probably from the main power rail. I don't think it's from battery, but anyway. 6.6, that means my ground is fine. Yeah, here we have 6.6, here 6.6. So the order how the power stop, it's on the plus power rail. Yeah, so let's see here what we have here. We have 5.7, here we have 5.7. okay, that's good. Now let's find the plus of the battery. Here we have 5.7, same thing. Here we have ground. Where do we have plus? 6.6, so you have the plus there. 6.6, okay? So we need a bridge from here there. Okay, let's do it. Let's do a bridge. What do you think? It will work or not? That's a good question. Because the battery is flagged, so it will speak with the Super IO and it will say, I'm dead. So this will be an interesting case. Okay, good. Now let's plug the battery. Good, let's plug the charger. And we have the charging light. And we have the power on light, because the BIOS was reset when we unplugged the battery, and the power is on and it's working fine. I knew it. Let's unplug the charger, and the laptop is still on. Probably it goes off because the battery is very low. Yeah, we have the charging sign. Let's plug with the meter and see what's going on with our current. And no, it's not charging. Oh, that's so sad. But it is coming on. 1 second. It is coming on. It is coming on. We have like, I don't know if you can see, like 200 milliamps. That means it's still working on the battery. Let's check the voltage. Let's see what's going on with the voltage. Six point five. 6.5. And if we are unplugging the charger, we have 6.1. So the charger, it does supply some power. Plugging back the charger. Pressing the power button. So it does supply some power. Yeah. You can't see the meter. But it will not charge the battery. Okay. So this is just a trick. So if I will leave the laptop like that, it does charging. Because now I have 6.5. Yeah, so but just a little bit. Probably does the does the main power A voltage. 6.5. Okay, this was just for our our information to find exactly how this board is working. But I will order the battery to get this job done. But the main thing we found out, actually the board is good. Only the battery is bad. And this is a rare case when you have a bad battery, actually the laptop is not working at all. Okay, so I'll stop this video now. Hopefully we get some useful info, things which I didn't know them before. I mean, I had this kind of case on the MacBooks, on the old MacBooks, when the battery was dead, was not coming on. But not on these new normal laptops. Strange. Strange, yeah, and the laptop is working. I guess it's like 600, 700 milliamps. Okay, so I'll stop now. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one. Bye.